Hi everyone, welcome back to English Learning Key. I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
Today we have an exciting episode. We're going on a weekend getaway trip. Imagine packing your bags, hopping into a car or train, and exploring a new city or town, full of travel phrases, real conversations, and English practice. Let's go! Good morning. Wow, luggage all packed. I can't believe it's finally getaway day.
I know, that mix of excitement and did I forget something panic is classic before any trip.
Did you double-check your tickets and hotel reservation?
Yup, printed tickets, hotel app confirmation, and backup photos on my phone. You?
Check. And I even made a detailed packing checklist. Helps avoid forgetting essentials like chargers, toiletries, or travel snacks.
Travel essentials? What's yours?
Passport, phone, notebook, snacks, water bottle, and a good book.
I'd add sunglasses, power bank, comfy shoes, and a reusable water bottle. Hydration is key, especially when walking around the new city all day.
Let's head to the station. Imagine meeting someone on the platform. How would you start a conversation?
Hi, excited for the weekend? Or are you going to Lakeside City too? Friendly, casual.
And asking for directions to the train? Excuse me, which platform does the train to Lakeside depart from?
Perfect. If they respond, Platform 5, leaving in 10 minutes, we can politely say, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help."
Boarding the train, time to find our seats. Hi, is this seat taken? Or, excuse me, may I sit here? Politeness matters.
Once seated, you can practice English silently, read a travel guide, listen to an English podcast, or describe the scenery in your head. The hills are green and the river sparkles in sunlight.
Yes, descriptive sentences improve vocabulary and help in storytelling.
Look, someone dropped their ticket. We could ask politely, "Excuse me, did you drop this?" Small acts of kindness are also English practice.
Exactly. On the train, we could also start casual conversations like, is this your first time visiting this city? Or how long is your stay?
If they respond, "Just 2 days," you can say, "That's exciting. Do you have any must-see places planned?"
Arrival. Let's get a taxi to the hotel.
"Hi, could you take us to Greenview Hotel, please?"
Confirming payment. How much will it be? Or do you accept card payments? Polite and clear.
At the hotel, check-in is an English practice goldmine. "Hello, I have a reservation under David Thompson."
Asking about amenities. Does the room have Wi-Fi? Or could you recommend a good local restaurant?
And always end with, "Thank you."
Imagine if there's a problem. I'm sorry, but our reservation seems to be missing.
Then you can politely follow up, "Could you check again, please? We have the confirmation email."
And if the hotel staff says, it seems the room is double booked, we respond, I understand. Could you please arrange another room nearby? Polite but firm.
Crisis averted, room secured, time to explore the town. Asking for directions, "Excuse me, how do we get to Old Town Square?"
And if the directions are complicated, could you repeat that slowly, please? Always useful in a new place.
First stop, a local cafe. Ordering English practice. "Hi, could I have a cappuccino and a slice of cheesecake, please?"
Or ask about local food. Do you have any specialties of the region? Fun and educational.
Sitting outside, people watching. Start a friendly conversation. "Hi, are you visiting the city this weekend too?"
If someone responds, yes, we're here for sightseeing, you can say, that's great. Which places have you visited so far? Small talk everywhere.
Sightseeing next. Buying tickets. "Hello, 2 adult tickets for the city museum, please."
And if asked, would you like an audio guide? Respond politely, yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Inside the museum, describing art, "This painting is beautiful," or "I love the details in this sculpture."
And asking questions, who painted this? Or what year was this made?
Makes the experience interactive.
After the museum, lunchtime. At a restaurant, hi, a table for 2, please.
Ordering food, "I'd like the grilled salmon, please. Could I have a side of vegetables?"
Asking politely about ingredients, does this contain any nuts? perfect for practicing questions.
Paying, could we split the bill or do you accept card payments? Always polite, always clear.
Evening stroll, describing scenery. The streets are quiet, the lights reflect on the wet pavement.
Perfect for English storytelling.
Oh no, it starts raining. Oh no, it's raining. Did you bring an umbrella?
Or, I forgot my umbrella. Could we share yours?
Or, let's find a nearby cafe and wait until it stops. Simple problem-solving sentences in English.
Next day, hiking, asking for guidance. Excuse me, which trail leads to the waterfall?
And checking safety. Is it safe for beginners?
Perfect for practicing polite questions in real-life situations.
At the waterfall, describing the scene. The water is falling rapidly and the rocks are slippery.
Asking a friend, could you take a picture of us here? Polite and conversational.
On the way back, a minor issue. I think I left my jacket at the cafe. Polite English solution. Excuse me, I left my jacket here yesterday. Could you check if it's still here?
Staff replies, yes, we found it. Please pick it up at the counter. Then you respond, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Back at the hotel, packing for departure. Hello, we're checking out. Could you call a taxi for us?
Always confirm, could you please provide the receipt?
Small talk with the receptionist. We had a great stay. Thank you for your help.
Staff responds, we're glad you enjoyed it. Have a safe trip home.
On the train back, recap conversation. I had so much fun this weekend. What was your favorite part?
I loved the museum and that cafe. How about you?
Sharing experiences and practicing storytelling in English. Wait, imagine we stop at a local market before leaving town, asking questions. Hi, how much is this handmade scarf?
Or bargaining politely, could you make it a little cheaper?
And after buying, thank you, it's beautiful. Perfect practice for shopping conversations.
What about trying local snacks? Excuse me, what is this dessert made of?
And if they explain, that sounds delicious. I'll try one, please.
Back on the train, reflecting on the weekend. I learned so many new words and phrases while traveling.
Me too. From greetings to ordering food, asking directions, and even solving small problems.
Finally, home sweet home. Home sweet home. That was an amazing trip.
Greeting family. Hi everyone, we just got back. The trip was fantastic. Reflecting, it was full of adventure, good food, and great conversations. Perfect English practice. Wow, this extended weekend getaway included greetings, small talk, ordering, sightseeing, shopping, polite requests, problem-solving, descriptive sentences, and cultural interactions.
Practicing these situations in real life or even in your mind can really boost confidence and fluency.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to English Learning Key, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new podcast.
Thanks for joining us on this full, immersive weekend adventure. Keep exploring, keep speaking, and have fun with English.